Hello there. Welcome back to this week's video. Oh my god, that sounds so wrong. No, this year's video, because it's been so long since I posted it. I actually want to apologize for that, because there have been a lot of technical difficulties, a lot of personal issues, a lot of difficulties in which I have not been able to post. So, well, whatever this is, be grateful and thank you for cooperating. In today's video, I shall be talking about a very interesting topic. It is about the pictures released from the James Webb Space Telescope on 12th of July 2022. The images released from the James Webb Space Telescope by NASA are of stars, galaxies, nebulae light years away from us, with no possibility of us in our living life to ever reach them. Most of the people consider the James Webb Telescope a replacement for the Hubble telescope, whereas NASA considers it a successor, because both of the telescopes differ in somewhat of a way, because the Webb telescope studies the infrared radiations of light. However, the Hubble telescope is more on the ultraviolet side. And for the fact that the James Webb telescope is much bigger in size, which is 21.9 feet wide, however, the Hubble Space Telescope is only 7.9 feet wide. When comparing the images taken by Webb and Hubble of the same patch of sky, we can clearly see a difference between them, as Webb's images are much more detailed as compared to Hubble's. The picture visible on your screens is from a cluster in space called the SMACS 0723, which is 4.9 billion light years away from us. Many objects that seem to be smudges to Hubble can now be seen in much greater detail by the Webb telescope. The image on your screen is just one of the 5 images released by NASA to provide us humans on Earth a glimpse of the past. And why do I say the past? Because these galaxy stars, nebulae, are millions and billions of light years away from us. So who knows, by the time sight reaches us, whether these galaxies even exist or not, because for the fact that the time taken by the light from the sun to reach us is 8 minutes. So let's take an example. What if the sun exploded, or it just shrinked? It finished, it vanished. We wouldn't even know for 8 minutes, because that's the amount of time taken by the light of sun to reach us. Here's another interesting fact, that this picture is only of a patch of sky the size of a grain of sand held in an arm's distance. Another image is of the Carina Nebula. This landscape of mountain and valley speckled with glittering stars is actually the edge of a young, nearby star-forming region called NGC 3324, which is within the Carina Nebulae. And in this image, the tallest peaks are about 7 light years high. Gosh, that's tall. Another image is of the Southern Ring Nebula, which is catalogued as NGC 3132 and approximately 2,500 light years away from us. Another one is of the Stephens Quintet, which is a visual grouping of 5 galaxies. Now comes the time for my personal favorite one, the WASP 96b, which is a hot gas giant exoplanet's atmospheric composition. So the picture you see on your screen is the atmospheric composition of a planet, which is hundreds of light years away from us. So forget the fact that we're ever actually going to reach it, or by the time we reach it, if it's even going to exist, or does it even exist by the time I'm talking right now. I know it's a lot to take in for like a normal person, but yeah. Moving on, the Hubble Space Telescope has analyzed numerous exoplanet atmospheres over the past 2 decades, and they're capturing the first clear detection of water in 2013. Yes, it has been done for like 10 years now, 10, 11 years. Take that in first, and then I'll move on. Okay? In the struggle for finding Earth-like habitable planets, we have for sure found exoplanets and other habitable places in this galaxy or outside of it, but the only problem is that how will we ever reach them, because there are millions, hundreds, millions, and even billions of light years away from us, so there's no humanly possible way for us to actually go there. Now, if you made it this far into the video, have a cookie because you deserve it. Well, that is it for this quickly done video. And by the way, this video is a result of those 3 a.m. thoughts, and I was like, oh, I've got a YouTube channel I need to take care of. So, well, this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. You can also follow me at my Instagram on galaxy_specter1.